So Hollywood is a ritual making machine. They're trying to program your mind so you can understand these imageries, right? And your subconscious mind can pick up on just the imagery because your subconscious mind doesn't know from if it's real or fake. They just understand that, oh, this image is tied to this. That's why when you have these dreams, right? You're having dreams of different symbols, right? But these symbols mean something to you, right? Subconsciously. So now you have to consciously understand what these subconscious meanings are. And until you understand these subconscious meanings, you're never going to understand your dreams and you're never going to move in a space of understanding what you're actually doing down here. So you have to come into the gnosis of self. That's why it's know thyself. Because when you know thyself, you know thy mind. And if you know your mind, you know what and why you're thinking in a certain way.